is Yahya. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm about to unbox this giant truck. So I'm about to unbox this for you guys. So I'm gonna show this to my brother and family. Then they're gonna be so happy. So we have sisters, but I'm a little kid right now, so my mother is about to unbox it. Now my mom unboxed the kit. Now I'm going to show you guys how the truck looks like when we take it out of this box. Wow. The box over here. Wow, it's so beautiful. So as you see from the front, it looks really cool. So it has this and this. I didn't saw this thing before in my whole life, and this also. Oh, so look over here, a little tennis floaty, so they can survive in the camp. I bought my Tyrannosaurus Rex. Now I'm going to show you the side of this truck. And now I'm going to put it in. Whoa, that's amazing. And as you can see, it's so beautiful that you put any animal in it. It's the end for today, and I'll come in another video with another toy. So like and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends and family. Bye bye.